Are you tired of sacrificing taste for health? Gluten-free cookies might change that. Absolutely. Gluten-free cookies can still taste delicious without gluten, often relying on alternative ingredients like almond flour or coconut flour for texture and flavor, while other components like chocolate chips or spices contribute to taste. When incorporating gluten-free cookies into a celiac disease management plan, it's important to consider their nutritional content, as they can be high in sugar and fats, and to ensure they are truly gluten-free to avoid cross-contamination risks. Gluten-free cookies can enhance a healthy diet for non-celiac individuals in moderation, but watch out for added sugars and fats in their ingredients. Delving into the world of gluten-free baking and health benefits. You've uncovered fascinating insights that will change the way you view snacking forever. What is celiac disease? Celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder, is triggered by gluten consumption from wheat, barley, and rye, damaging the small intestine, impairing nutrient absorption, and causing symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, and fatigue. The primary treatment is a strict gluten-free diet. What are gluten-free cookies? Gluten-free cookies are baked goods that are free from gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. These cookies are specifically made to cater to individuals with celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, or those choosing to follow a gluten-free diet for other health reasons. Ingredients commonly used in gluten-free cookies. Alternative flours. Gluten-free cookies often use flours made from rice, almond, coconut, tapioca, oat, tapioca, sorghum, or chickpeas as substitutes for wheat flour. Binders. Ingredients like xanthan gum, gar gum, or flaxseed meal are commonly used to provide structure and prevent crumbling in gluten-free cookies. Sweeteners. Natural sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, or coconut sugar may be used instead of refined sugar in gluten-free cookie recipes. Flavorings and add-ins. Chocolate chips, nuts, dried fruits, and spices are often added to gluten-free cookie dough for flavor and texture. Varieties of gluten-free cookies available in the market. Classic favorites: chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, peanut butter, snickerdoodles. Unique and innovative varieties: vegan, sugar-free, keto-friendly, paleo-friendly, seasonal flavors, etc. Chocolate chip cookies. A classic favorite, chocolate chip cookies made gluten-free can be found in many variations, including vegan and allergen-friendly options. Shortbread cookies. These buttery, crumbly cookies are popular in gluten-free form, often made with rice flour or almond flour. Oatmeal cookies. Oats themselves are gluten-free, but cross-contamination can occur during processing. Therefore, certified gluten-free oats are used to make gluten-free oatmeal cookies. Snickerdoodles. These cinnamon sugar-coated cookies can also be made gluten-free using alternative flours and ingredients. Peanut butter cookies. Simple yet delicious, gluten-free peanut butter cookies are made using gluten-free flour blends or nut flours. Understanding celiac disease and its impact on the body. Today, we're exploring celiac disease, a condition affecting millions globally. Before we delve in, have you considered how food shapes our well-being? Imagine experiencing chronic fatigue, abdominal discomfort, and brain fog, with elusive answers despite frequent doctor visits. After years of uncertainty, a diagnosis finally emerges: celiac disease. Life shifts to meticulous label reading, ingredient scrutiny. Individuals find resilience and reclaim health. In adversity, the human spirit prevails, showcasing inner strength. The importance of a gluten-free diet for individuals with celiac disease. Exploring a vital aspect of managing celiac disease, the importance of a gluten-free diet. Before we dig into dietary choices, consider: can a simple change in diet transform someone's life? For those with celiac disease, every meal poses a risk, as gluten in grains like wheat, barley, and rye can cause discomfort. From stomach cramps to chronic inflammation, gluten ingestion affects their daily lives. The gluten-free diet empowers those with celiac disease, relieving troublesome symptoms for optimal well-being. Embracing gluten-free alternatives helps reclaim control over health, bidding farewell to persistent issues for newfound vitality. Brief discussion on gluten sensitivity. Well, our attention turns to gluten sensitivity, a significant aspect of gluten-related conditions. But before we explore further, have you ever pondered why certain individuals experience discomfort after consuming gluten-containing foods? Picture recurring digestive discomfort, bloating, and fatigue despite numerous healthcare visits. Filled with frustration and uncertainty, they uncover a potential culprit, gluten sensitivity, after extensive testing. Gluten sensitivity, like celiac disease, but without the autoimmune aspect, demands constant dietary management. Despite milder symptoms, addressing it enhances life quality, marking a vital step toward holistic well-being. Top health benefits of gluten-free cookies for celiac disease. Digestive health. Probing the health benefits of gluten-free cookies for those with celiac disease. But before that, have you ever thought about how a simple cookie could offer significant health advantages? Imagine every meal as a gamble, especially for those with celiac disease longing for sweet treats without fear. Their journey, marked by restrictions and appointments, finds hope in gluten-free cookies. Gluten-free cookies provide more than indulgence, mostly for those with celiac disease, eliminating a common trigger for inflammation. With each bite, they offer taste and nourishment. Nutrient absorption. Exploring gluten-free cookies and their surprising link to nutrient absorption in those with celiac disease. But first, have you reflected on how your food choices impact your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients? Imagine feeling drained despite a healthy diet or struggling with nutrient deficiencies despite supplements. This frustrating reality resonates with many with celiac disease. Could gluten-free cookies offer a glimmer of hope in improving nutrient absorption? Ditch the guilt. Gluten-free cookies for celiac disease go beyond treats. They skip the gluten, boost nutrient absorption, and with every bite, help take back control. It's a delicious reminder that small changes can make a big difference. Weight management. Let's find out the health advantages of gluten-free cookies for individuals with celiac disease. But first, let's contemplate. Have you thought about how dietary choices can affect weight management, especially for those with celiac disease? Living with celiac disease often means navigating a world of no's. But what if a delicious yes could exist? We'll explore how gluten-free cookies might offer a surprising benefit for those managing this condition. Gluten-free cookies aid weight management for those with celiac disease. With worry-free treats, they stay true to wellness goals, supporting balanced choices and offering hope. Reduced inflammation. Inflammation can be a major challenge for those with celiac disease. But could a delicious treat offer relief? Today, we'll inspect the intriguing connection between gluten-free cookies and inflammation management. Celiac disease struggles often mean saying no to treats. But what if gluten-free cookies could be a delightful ally, offering potential relief and flavor exploration? Let's investigate. Beyond indulgence, gluten-free cookies provide a comforting option for those with celiac disease, managing inflammation and offering a path towards wellness. Addressing misconceptions about gluten-free products. Today, we're debunking myths surrounding gluten-free products. Before we delve in, have you ever questioned the truth about gluten-free foods and their role in a healthy diet? Imagine navigating skeptical supermarket aisles with celiac disease, yearning for clear labels and understanding. It's a journey seeking acceptance and facts amidst misconceptions. Forget limitations, embrace a world of flavor. Gluten-free options offer delicious variety, from nutrient-rich breads to decadent desserts. Let's explore the delicious possibilities together. Tips for choosing the best gluten-free cookies. Reading ingredient labels carefully. Forget just trust. Embrace informed choices. Reading ingredient labels, especially for gluten-free friends, unlocks a world of mindful snacking. From navigating crowded aisles to scrutinizing labels, imagine the journey of someone with celiac disease seeking safe, delicious food choices. Label reading is vital for health, empowering informed choices for allergies or wellness. It reflects your commitment to self-care, giving you control over your health choices. Looking for certifications and seals indicating gluten-free status. Mindful shoppers. Let's explore the importance of gluten-free certifications. Have you thought about how they influence your dietary choices? Imagine navigating a supermarket jungle, seeking safe havens amidst tempting treats, where labels become lifelines for those with celiac disease. Look for the trusted seal. Certified gluten-free products empower informed choices, ensuring peace of mind and optimal health. Trying different brands and varieties to find preferred tastes. Taste adventurers. Let's examine the various brands and flavors in gluten-free treats. Have you embraced the excitement of discovering new tastes and brands in gluten-free delights? Forget bland restrictions. Imagine a vibrant world of gluten-free cookies, offering delicious exploration for those with celiac disease, from classic favorites to exotic flavors. Exploring gluten-free treats is an adventure in living gluten-free. Discover new flavors and celebrate diversity with every bite. Whether cookies or brownies, savor life's richness. In summary, gluten-free cookies offer a delicious and beneficial alternative for individuals with celiac disease, supporting their dietary needs while promoting digestive health, mood improvement, and reduced inflammation. Transitioning to a gluten-free lifestyle may pose initial challenges, but with patience and an open mind, you'll uncover a world of delicious options that nourish both body and soul. Consider a healthcare professional before taking any steps on your own. If you missed our video on understanding inflammation and oxidative stress, check it here on the screen.